Here we got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in North Augusta. The seller was under a tremendous amount of stress. They bought this property to fix it up and to flip it, and their life changed. Just different things happened that kept happening, kept compounding. So next thing you know, they're in arrears, and they reach out to me, and it just has to be, I tell everybody this all the time, it has to be a win-win situation. So we were able to come in here. Well, as you can see, it needs love. I'm not afraid of that. I love these things. And what he was mainly interested in is just getting out from underneath it, because he needed it gone. So we came in, took over the interest rate, because that was amazing. He did a good job with that. And I inherited all of his problems. But the difference is that our team is really, 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 really good at performing on these types of deals where it's not terrible. This is by far not the worst one that we see. This house is going to be beautiful. We're going to fix it up, and you just got to check this one out. Just stay tuned and watch it, because it'll be good. I love North Augusta. Raise your hand if you love North Augusta, because I always enjoy these projects.